Hi guys, so for today I'm gonna teach you the option on how you can see your store or the page for your restaurant's website. Alright, so let's log in to Mucho Taste. Log into your Mucho Taste account. Okay, and click Manage. And on the left side corner here, the one on the bottom, this one with the box and there's an arrow inside it. This is where you can see your store. Just click that. Okay. If you click that, it will direct you to the page for your restaurant's website. There you go. So you can see everything, the menus for your restaurant. Okay, so that's basically it on how you can see your store. Just click that and it will direct you to the page for your restaurant's website or your restaurant's menu. All right, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching.